Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at one of the most popular private medical colleges in India. This is one of those private medical colleges where candidates prefer it during counseling, even sometimes over and above the government medical colleges. What is this college? We will look at it, and then we will find out how it is ranking across India. What is the seat matrix in this college? What is the fee structure for this college in the academic year 2025-26. We will also look at the cutoff marks in the last 3 years. In the last 3 years, what was the score required to get a seat in this particular medical college? We will look at. So we are talking about KMC Manipal or Kasturba Medical College Manipal. This medical college is affiliated to Manipal Academy of Higher Education, which is a deemed to be university. First of all, the disclaimer, all the information that I am sharing in this video are collected from the public forums like the college website or maybe MCC website. If you want more details or if you want the latest updated information, I want you to go to those websites and confirm the details. Before doing the choice filling or before selecting the college, I strongly recommend you to double check this information on the college website as well as MCC website, because I am doing this video in May 2025, and when the counseling is happening, these details, there could be some changes. I strongly advise you use this information in this video only for advanced planning, and subsequently you should check the college website before going with the college. Now let's look at the ranking of this college. So if you look at KMC Manipal, it is ranked at number 9 in NIRF ranking 2024. That is among all government medical colleges, private medical colleges, everything put together, it is at All India rank 9. If you take just the private medical colleges, it's almost, I think, is the third ranked private medical college in NIRF ranking for medical colleges in 2024. If you look at India Today ranking 2024, it is ranked at number 12 all over India. If you look at the Outlook iCare ranking 2024 for medical colleges, it is ranked as the number 1 private medical college. Of course, we don't have what is its ranking considering all the medical colleges, but among the private medical colleges, it is ranked as number 1 by Outlook iCare. So you could see that this is one of the top medical colleges. Probably you can consider that it is in the top 10 or top 15 across India. So that's why I said it's quite popular among candidates. Now let's look at the seat matrix. So if you look at the seat matrix, this particular medical college has 2 major categories. One is called the All India General category, or sometimes it is also known as a deemed quota or paid quota, and also it has All India NRI category. So total MBBS seats in this medical college is 250, which are divided into general category and NRI category. That is 85%, 15%. So the distribution will be roughly 212 seats for general category and 38 seats will be reserved for NRI candidates. So it could be NRI sponsored or OCA candidates can apply under the All India NRI category. Now, if you are interested in this medical college, where should you apply? You should register with Medical Counseling Committee or MCC, and this registration will start after NEET results. Should I register with Karnataka? Should I register with KEA? For this particular medical college, it is not necessary to register with Karnataka or KEA. Even for Karnataka candidates, all the seats are offered only through MCC. Of course, this is based on the information until 2024. What would happen in 2025? We have to wait and see whether this particular medical college, will they offer some seats to Karnataka residents through the state quota? We are not sure, right? KMC Mangalore do offer some seats through state quota, but KMC Manipal does not offer any seats through state quota. So as of now, these are the 2 categories: general category or deemed quota or paid quota, and then NRI category. Now let's go into fee structure. What is the fee structure for general category? What is the fee structure for NRI category? So let's look at the general category first. Now, if you look at KMC Manipal, they charge the fees in 4 installments. The installments, how many installments you need to pay? You need to pay 4 installments. The first installment should be paid at the time of admission, which includes 10,000 rupees caution deposit, tuition fee of about 10,99,000 and other fees of 6,71,000. So including all the 3, at the time of admission, you have to pay 17.8 lakhs. So that is the first installment, or you can call it first year fee, whatever you call it. The first installment at the time of admission, you need to pay 17.8 lakhs. Subsequently, the next three installments or the next 3 years, what you are going to pay? You are going to pay 17,69,500 per year. So basically 17.7 lakhs is the first year fees plus 10,000 is the caution deposit. From second year onwards, it's also around 17,70,000. So roughly 17.7 lakhs per year into 4 installments. Many colleges may charge for 4.5. Many colleges may charge for 5 times, but this college charges only 4 times. So what is the total cost? Is roughly around 71 lakhs to complete MBBS in this college. This 71 lakhs is only the college fees. We will talk about the hostel and mess fees subsequently. Now, this is the hostel and mess fees for general category students. For boys, there will be double non-AC attached bath is the option available. The annual fees is 73,000. Hostel deposit in the first year 7,500 rupees. Mess advance is 53,000. That is for the entire year it will be 53,000 rupees. So total amount will be 1,33,500. Of course, this mess advance, it depends on what is the consumption. Subsequently, in case the consumption of the students increases, they may slightly increase the fees and collect the actual consumption. But roughly you can see that it's about 1,34,000. So keep a budget of about 1.5 lakhs per year for the boys. When it comes to the girls, there are few options available. Double AC attached bath, it comes to 1,73,000. Single attached bath non-AC, it comes to 1,40,000. Double with attached bath non-AC comes 1,34,000. So somewhere between 1,34,000 to 1,75,000, let's say. So roughly for girls, we can estimate, right, 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. So if you include the hostel and mess fees plus the college fees, roughly your total expenses will come close to about 80 lakhs to complete the course, right? So keep a budget of about 80 lakhs. Of course, personal expenses are not included here. Just the college, hostel and mess, around 80 lakhs should be sufficient to complete the course in this particular medical college. Of course, please remember the hostel fees is as per 2024 prospectus. Now coming to the NRI category. What is the fees for NRI category? NRI category, again, they charge 4 installments. Caution deposit is $200. First year tuition fee is $30,600. Other fees is $18,600. So totally at the time of admission, you need to pay $49,400. And subsequently, the next 3 installments will be $49,200 per installment. So the total cost comes to $1,97,000. So roughly about $2 lakh you need to complete the course in this particular medical college, which is only the college fees or tuition fees plus the other fees. Now, looking at the US dollar to Indian currency conversion, as of 2nd May, when I am recording this video, is about 84.51 Indian rupees per US dollar. So roughly if I convert 1,97,000, it comes to about 1.67 crores for the college fees. So if you are okay with paying 1.67 crores, then this college is good for you under NRI category. Now let's also look at the hostel and mess fees for the NRI students. Now for the NRI students, for boys, there are 2 options. Both are AC. One is single with attached bath. The other one is double with attached bath. So either you will be spending about $2,300 or around $3,000 for boys. For girls, again, right, there are 2 options. Single attached bath with AC, double attached bath with AC. For NRI students, all the options are with AC, whereas for general category students, you also have non-AC option. So for girls, you could see that it is around $2,300 to $3,700. Let's say roughly around $3,000 to $4,000 is your expenses. So $3,000 into 84 or $4,000 into 84 will be like somewhere around 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per year will be the expense. So 1.67 crores for the college fees plus about, let's say, 15 lakhs for the hostel. So we are talking about somewhere around 1.8 crores or maybe like 1.85 crores to complete the entire course, including the hostel and mess for the NRI students. Once again, the fees is as per 2024 prospectus. This may slightly go up in 2025. I'm not sure, but this will give you a rough indication. Of course, there may be an increase of, let's say, 10%. So keep that in your calculations. Coming to the final section of this video, we are going to talk about the cutoff marks. So as I told you, I will show you first the cutoff marks for the general category, and I will show you what is the rank, all India rank, and also I will show you the NEET marks. So use the cutoff rank as a reference when you are trying to see your probability of getting into this college, because the NEET score will fluctuate every year depending on the performance of the students in that particular year. So last year, if you see 2024, in terms of all India rank, you could see that round 1, the all India rank was 40,000, round 2, 39,000, and round 3, 36,000. So every round you could see that it becomes more and more difficult. So if you are interested in a deemed university, the best time to get into a deemed university is always round 1, because round 1 is generally less competitive, because many candidates do not participate or do not give options for deemed universities in round 1. And generally they go for government colleges or maybe other colleges. And if they don't get, they come to round 2 to deemed university, or in round 3 in deemed university. So this is applicable for all the deemed universities. If you are really serious about getting into a deemed university, round 1 is your better option. Round 1, you have a best chance to get into a better deemed university than in round 2, round 3, or stay round. Of course, stay round last year, there was no vacancy. All the seats closed in round 3. Now, in terms of cutoff marks, of course, last year was an extreme case. I don't know whether 2025 will be similar. I don't know. But last year, you could see that round 1, the closing score was 635 marks. Round 2 also 635. Round 3, it went up to 640 marks. So roughly 635 was the closing score last year. Let's also look at 2023-22. You could see that they are in that range, right? Somewhere from say 50,000, 40 to 50,000 seems to be the average rank. But looking at last year, it was about 40,000 all India rank. So if you are in the top 40,000 ranks, you have a very good chance to get into this college. If you are between 40 to 50,000 all India ranks, you need some luck to get into this college, right? That's what the general trend shows us, right? You could see that 40,000, 51,000, 46,000. So somewhere in that range, 40,000 to 50,000, you have a decent chance. But if you are within the top 40,000, you have a very good chance to get into this college. Now let's also look at the cutoff marks. As I said, it fluctuates wildly. In 2022, it was 554. 2023, it was 567. And in 2024, it was 635 marks. Compared to the rank and score, I would generally recommend you to look at the rank and do a comparison rather than the NEET score. This year, what would be the cutoff? I don't know. I have no idea. It may go up, it may come down. We don't know. We have to wait and see how the scores are coming out. Whether the exam is difficult or not, we don't know. As of the time of recording this video, the NEET exam has not happened yet. Now let's look at the cutoff ranks for NRI category. NRI category in round 1 closed at all India rank 435,000, and in round 2 it shot up to 283,000. In terms of marks, round 1 closed at 371, and round 2 it became difficult at 450 marks. Once again, go in the round 1, you have a better chance. Let's also look at the previous years. It fluctuates quite a lot. 2022, 217,000, 2023, 521,000. Of course, 2022 probably is a special year because of this OCI ruling. The OCIs might be taking a lot of seats in NRI category. So look at 2023 and 24 for comparison for NRI category. So you could see that roughly around 4 lakhs all India rank, probably you have a better chance. What is the score? 260, 368, right? So somewhere around, right? If you are in the score somewhere around 400 marks, probably you have a good chance. So I hope that information is useful to you. I hope I have given you as much detail you need for KMC Manipal. If you have any further questions, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.